Good morning everyone. Welcome back. So today we are going to start our new chapter, a beautiful poem which is an imagination of the poet. वो एक imagination है, पूरी imagination like he is behaving like a small kid. वो बिल्कुल एक छोटा बच्चा बन गया है and what he is thinking. So everyone check out chapter 4 roundabout. Right? So today we are going to discuss this poem. But before discussing the poem, tell me, क्या कभी आपने सोचा है कि what if you fly high above the sky? कभी उड़ने का मन किया है? Have you imagined it? So let us imagine all that we are flying in the sky. So what will you see? क्या क्या देखोगे? I can see the houses, the buildings, right? Or I can see the rivers, beautiful plantation or beautiful forest, right? And I can even see my house or my friend's house if I'm flying above my town. If I'm flying above Jodhpur and you are with me and we all are flying. So how will it be? Can you imagine? Will it be fun? मजा आएगा कि नहीं आएगा? करना है. So the poet is thinking the same way. वो भी यही सोच रहा है कि if I would be an eagle, अगर मैं eagle होता and I could have flied up in the sky, मुझे क्या क्या दिखता? So tell me, what can an eagle see? Have you seen eagle fly? कभी eagle को fly करते देखा है? He flies high above the sky, नहीं? वो एक height पे बहुत ऊपर fly करता रहता है, right? And he just keep on moving here and there, right? So the poet is thinking. Who is the poet? C.J. Dennis. C.J. Dennis क्या कह रहा है कि अगर मैं ईगल होता तो कितना अच्छा होता. It would be fun, right? So that I could have seen all the places. I could have gone anywhere I want, right? There will be no traffic lights, कुछ भी नहीं. There will be no signal, and I could have flied everywhere. I could have seen my friend's house, everything. So this is a really beautiful poem. But before going to the poem, we are going to learn the new words, right? That are being used in this poem. So let us start. So these are my new words. So what is the first word? Splendid, right? What is the first word? Splendid. Splendid का क्या मतलब होता है? Very grand, very big. So splendid means very grand. You can say it is a very huge or very big. So how to read it? Splendid, right? So you have to read it with me. Splendid, very grand. Now the next word, dizzy. How to pronounce it? Dizzy. And what does it mean? Making you feel that everything is spinning around you. Dizzy का मतलब क्या होता है? जब आप dizzy feel करते हो ना, you feel like सब कुछ घूम रहा है, everything is spinning, right? So dizzy means when you have a feeling कि सारा कुछ जो भी आपके around है वो घूम रहा है, right? So this is called dizziness or dizzy. When you feel dizzy, that means it makes you feel that everything around you, as if this stick is also moving and this book is also moving. If I'm feeling dizzy, जब हमको चक्कर आता है, have you played right Ringa Ringa Roses with your girls or boys? तो जब आप बहुत घूमते हो and when you sit down you feel like सब कुछ घूम रहा है, that is called dizziness, or you can say you feel dizzy. So what is dizzy? Making you feel that everything is spinning around you, सब घूम रहा है. Next one, nonsense. What is my next word? Nonsense. Something that is foolish or stupid, right? Sometimes in your classroom when someone is talking some stupid thing, कुछ भी बोलता है, मैम ऐसे होगा, तो मैम क्या कहती है? Keep quiet, don't talk nonsense, right? मतलब कि कोई stupid चीज जब बोलता है या कुछ think करता है, उसको क्या कहते हैं? Nonsense, right? It is not clever, it is not wise, it is foolish, है ना? जब कोई foolish thing करता है classroom में, then you all keep on laughing, so that is nonsense. Something that is foolish or stupid. Providing. The next word is providing. On condition that, right? जब हम condition करते हैं किसी के लिए कि it will happen only if ये होगा, क्या कहते हैं जब मैम कहती मैम प्लीज कैन आई डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द बुक्स, राइट? सो व्हाट विल मैम से, यू कैन डू इट प्रोवाइडिंग यू हैव कंप्लीटेड योर वर्क और प्रोवाइडिंग दैट यू हैव नॉट इनकम्प्लीट वर्क। अगर आपका इनकम्प्लीट वर्क होगा तो आप ये नहीं कर पाओगे, कंप्लीट है तब भी कर पाओगे। दैट इज मैम इज पुटिंग कंडीशन ऑन यू, आप पे कंडीशन हो रही है कि जो सबसे पहले क्लास में वर्क करेगा ही कैन बी अ मॉनिटर। सो दिस इज पुटिंग कंडीशन, सो प्रोवाइडिंग इज ऑन कंडीशन दैट जो कंडीशन होगी अगर फुलफिल होगी तभी वो होगा, नहीं तो नहीं होगा। सो लेट अस रिवाइज वन मोर टाइम। स्प्लेंडेड, वेरी ग्रैंड, वेरी ह्यूज, busy, making you feel that everything is spinning around you. Nonsense, something that is foolish or stupid. Providing on condition that when you are placed on a condition that वो होगा तभी ही ये होगा, या it can happen providing it does not happen. So you have to fulfill the condition. I hope you have understood the new words and you have to write them 2 times. Now let us read the poem with me. You all will read it with me, okay? They say the eagle is a bird that sees some splendid sights. When he soars high into the sky, up his dizzy flights. He sees the ground for miles around, our house and Billy Johnson's. But we cannot be eagles, for that would be, of course, be nonsense. But you and I, some summer day, providing we are allowed, we will go up in an aeroplane and sail right through a cloud. But if they say we may not go, we will stay upon the ground with other things that have no wings and watch them walk around. So this is a beautiful poem in which my poet is imagining that what the eagles see and what if we are provided, हमको allow किया जाए कि हम उड़ सके. So today we will be reading this poem, and in my next video I will explain the poem. So what you have to do, you have to read this poem 2 times and you have to write down this new words 2 times in your rough copy. So next lesson we will just discuss this poem, okay? Thank you.